Nakakalabaw na si ano ah. Justin ah. Dati yosi ka muna par. Pangit ko rin. Ayaw rin pag-ano. Hindi ka muna.
Who's power? Number 17. Number 17, second personal foul. 2 free throws for number 15, Lawson.
Nakahanin tayo sa oras niya na.
Kaya nga eh, pinapakuhan ko na nga. Singaw mo lang kasi.
Second time, splits the charity, 1 out of 2 for Lawson.
So lang yun.
38 to 28. Lahat ang team 1. Stops. Kick out. Binigay din number 25. Binigay din outside the triple. Number 10, Albert Lawson. Ibang Pilipinas, Lawson. Binigay din number 48, number 28. Reverse layup is Noel. Who gets the board? Soriano. Binigay din over to Blanco. Blanco. Excuse me po sa kanyang pag-rebound. Blanco. Over to Nananoy, Panginoon. Number 28, binigay kay Blanco. Panginoon, over to Lawson. 3 seconds. On the shaded lane. Ito na ang Team Rana. Number 10. Number 10. The second coach is in the play. Binigay kay Blanco. Blanco makes his way. He makes his way. Just a single-digit lead. Good defense by Rana. Naandun Blanco, counter steal by number 18. Number 18, Espinosa. Espinosa. Lays up. Yes, sir! May kasama ng foul. Foul on number
25. 25 pre.
25. That is his first personal foul. Bonus free throw from Espinosa. Last throw. Yes, sir. Completes the 3-point play, making it tally 41 to 30. 7 minutes and 49. Soriano now bringing back the basketball. Soriano over to Rana. Rana now. Rana stops. Finishing number 25.
Nice one!
Look, rebound. Big rebound by Lopez. Jump ball. Who's possession run? Same ball. Soriano inbounding. Naagaw ni Lawson. Lawson quickly. Laying up. No good. Put back. Wala pa rin. Who gets the ball is Blanco. Over to Soriano. Soriano now. Soriano out of his way. But there's a foul on number 9. Number 9. First personal foul. 2 free throws, Soriano. The big man, first try, short.
Dalawa natatalo nila ano. Sila Aljon, tsaka sila Tim Brian.
Second free throw. Wala pa rin.
Pinakalaban namin, di ba?
Hindi pa. Hindi pa ito nalalaban eh.
Oo nga. Sila kalaban namin.
Ha?
Sila kalaban namin.
Kailan?
Waiting for his team.
May laro ba kayo?
Sunod-sunod yung laro eh.
Blanco. Binigay sa ilalim for Soriano. Soriano. Sa gitna, number 25, number Garcia. Shoots. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 17, Bernard Garcia. 43-32. Still in the 11-point lead. Lawson, eye-to-eye with Rana. 15 to shoot. Find the zone. Lopez. Minover, rebound Pua, put back. Wala. Stable, last touch on block. 13 seconds on the shot clock. Espinosa fakes, lays up, short. Put back is no good. Who gets the ball is number 25. Making the block on Anthony Lozon. Lozon now, makes his way. Lozon stepping through. Right. Good save by Rana. Binigay kay Flaco. Stop stepping on the line is Espinosa. Ayos yan, tumatal sa kamay. Ayos. 6 minutes and 3 seconds. Rana now. Signaling the play. Rana. Naghanap ng pakasan. Binigay sa kabila number 25. Number 25, shoot. Pua over to Lauzon. Lauzon nagpamadali. Easy 2 points. Lumalalim na naman ang Team Ricks or Team White. Rana na, number 10. Number 10, being hounded, binigay kay Blanco. Cross-court to Soriano. Soriano finds a triple. Gets his own miss. Soriano is his handle. White ball. Last touch daw ang block, sabi na rin. Back to the ball game, Lauzon ang mga rin. Lauzon, ladies up, wala, Lopez, power rebound. Black ball. Last touch on White. Soriano na. Nakakaw. Nagalaan Parado. In and out. Espinosa. Sa baba. Espinosa pa rin. Put up the over foul on number 25. That is the second personal foul. Substitution, right?
Pasok, pasok, pasok! Pasok, pasok!
Labas ang din kailangan. 2 free throws for Espinosa. First throw. Short.
Yari, napapagod na. Yari sila sa fourth quarter.
Second tie. Nagagawa ka ng certain adjustment.
Wala pa si Asul.
Short pa rin. Rebound by the ball. Now ball over to Debesa. Debesa number 18 man of Team Rana. Debesa, short stab. Short pa rin. Nakuha ng Espinosa. Nabitawan niya sa baseline.
Kasim! Malunod oh. Parang wala na.
Lozon. Pinasabay pa yung Gazon. Ikaw to Lozon. Tries a triple. Short. Rebound number 28 by Gazon. Wisely bringing back the basketball over to Pua. 7 seconds on the shot clock. Lozon. Binigay by Gazon. Fakes. Binigay sa ilalim. Sa gitna, Pua.
Sab ka? Ay, sab ka?
Nabolka. Over to Black being hounded. Black floater. Pua with the board. Nakuha ni Mejia. Mejia powers his way. Wala. Benedicto kick out to Debesa. Debesa. Pushes forward 45 to 35. Just a 10-point lead. Pua now, slowly bringing back the basketball over to Lozon. To Lopez.
Nagkalat na, pre!
Nakuha ni Pua. Nakuha ni Black over to Benedicto. Quickly.
Galing, oh! Uy!
For Benedicto. Espinosa now. Binigay kay Gazon.
Dead ball timeout.
Debesa now. Waiting for his teammates. Over to Black Binigay kay. Looking for his teammates. Binigay kay Gabon. The big man.
Open!
Gabon. Being handled by Gazon. Gabon. Short. Wala. Nakahuli Espinosa. Crossing the midboard na si Espinosa. Over to Luzon. The ace point guard. Luzon. 50 on the shot clock. Luzon na rin. Sidestep and move. Binigay sa ilalim. Lopez. Benedicto. Benedicto fix. Binigay sa labas. Benedicto sa sorry. Shot status for Benedicto.
Dead ball, dead ball. Dead ball. Cross, dead ball.
Luzon na. Crossing the timeout.
Magka-timeout din sila pag dead ball.
Luzon. 12 to shoot. Binigay kay Paingason. Paingason. Lays up. Yes, sir. 2 points for number 28, Paingason. Denmesa number 18, signaling the play. Black on floor. Black on floor. Last 2 minutes. Luzon now. Luzon crossing the timeline. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Being hounded. Luzon pick up the Paingason. Another purple try. No good. Save. Now one is Espinosa. His turn. Wala. Luzon back on floor. Wala na po. Hindi tayo ng referee. Nagol. Nagmamalit. Nagol. Over to number 8. Dito na araw number 15. Luzon. Luzon pa rin. Luzon. Over to 4 for the easy lose.
Walang dead ball din.
39. Malayo na po. Kalamangan. Nakakalaman ni Pua. Over to Lopez. Nakakuha ni Luzon. Luzon.
Fourth quarter na ng pasok.
Wisely.
Wala na
Decides to take the shot. Wala.
Timeout. Timeout. White.
Official score, 52-39.
Nakahanin tayo. 9:45.
Dahil yung tingin sa mag, ano,
Good.
Official score, 52-40. Boss ito ang alahan ng team. At Kurmoni. Last 61 seconds remaining in the third quarter. Blanco now, off back. Blanco over to Gemesa, over to Nagor. Nagor tries a triple. Short. Rebound by number 50 guy. Boom. Over to Pacman. Army fix. Binigay number 28 over to Ferrer. Nakakagawa to Nagor. Nagor. 52. Overpasses the ball. Seconds remaining in the third quarter. Paingason makes his move. Drives, kick out. And then over to Pagle. Short. Habla ni Blanco. Blanco. Blanco pa rin. Loses a handle. Kick out. Blanco pa rin. Makes his move. Spin, face, shoot, drop. This is Garcia. Wala. Garcia pa rin. Return.
Lumobo yung panan. Napakan niya kasi. Ha? Me.
Start of our fourth and final quarter. Black ball. fourth quarter. Team Ranadi. Blanco to start the fourth. Garcia tries a triple. Short. One ball. Ferrer, number 2 guy of Cambridge. Ferrer, dribbling, being handled to number 2. 5 seconds, ball violation. Good defense by number 2. Nagor, the main man of Team Rana. Nagor drives, shoots, in and out. Rebound number 13.
Dalawang malalaki din.
Over to Padre. Padre, looking for his teammate, binigay Ferrer. Number 2, Ferrer. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ferrer. Over to Ferrer. Binigay din number 13, Dinamit. Nakakuha ba? Sa rin. Agaw. Blanco. Blanco makes his way. Left to the good. For James Blanco.
Walo lang yan, no?
Ito na si Ferrer. Ferrer, number 2. Basket dribbling showcase. Nakagawa na. Garcia over to the left. Nakagawa sa akin. Garcia. Padre. Behind. Wisely.
Galing.
Bouncing the ball to the enemy. Good IQ. Ferrer. Over to Ferrer. Ferrer. Eye to eye with Ray. Ferrer. Dinesa. Over to Ferrer. Ferrer, short jumper. Short. Rebound is Nagor. Nagor, number 16, uses the handle.
Dead ball, pa dead ball.
Ferrer, number 2. Ferrer. Oops. Excuse the ball. Easy 2 points for Ferrer.
Pag dead ball.
Number 16, Nagor. Triple try. Nagor 3. Making the tally 54 to 47.
Dead ball.
Padre, 6 to play over to Ferrer. 12 to shoot. Counted by Lynn is Ferrer. Holding foul on number 2. Final team breaks. Official score 54-47. Wala naman dito. Team breaks or what? Back to the ball game. Remaining time 7 minutes and 16 seconds remaining in the fourth and final quarter. 436 seconds remaining in our ball game. Lauzon, the ace point guard for Team Ricks. Lauzon, 10 on just shot clock. Lauzon pa rin, kick out to Faingazon. Short sa kanyang 2-5. Ring on the board. Nagpog ang mga kick out to Demesa. Binigay ng ball. Binigay for his teammate. Binigay Blanco. Blanco shoots. Back in the foul. Number 9. Pua. That is his second personal foul. 2 free throws for James Blanco. First attempt is short.
Pre, silagin dito laban natin. Ang tsakawan pag malala.
Last free throw.
Di pa nga nagsibayad ng quota yun eh. Sila ako dun.
Spreads the charity. Makes necessary adjustments for that free throw.
Ay sige, hindi. Nagbayad na pala.
Making it 54-48. Hangin na lang po ang labangan. Lauzon now. Over to Pua. Binigay kay Espinosa. Tries a triple.
Binubuhat sila ng Espinosa.
Now Pua. Being given a pick. Tries his own triple. It's raining threes dito sa fourth quarter. Lauzon now. 6 minutes and 13. 57 to 51 Lauzon. Tries to triple the ball. Short. Nakuha ni Labon. Labon. Behind it. Labon looking for his teammate. Blanco. Blanco now. Blanco being hunted to Lauzon. Blanco shoots. Last touchdown on the left. Single. 11 minutes or 14 seconds on the shot clock. Garcia and Gandhi. Now number 28, completed a steal. He's up. Good. And a foul. Foul on number 18. Number 18, second personal foul. 2 free throws to find the zone. First try. There's a middle. Too much muscle behind it. Second and free throw. On the way. Swing at the charity. Is number 28. 1 out of 2. Garcia, the big man. Crossing the midline. Over to the Mesa. Over to Blanco. Blanco there. Makes his way. Blanco. Kick out to number 2. Here. 10 seconds to shoot. Blanco. Short side. Too much muscle behind the last touch on.
Black ball, red ball.
Black ball.
Screen!
Binili ni Garcia sa ilalim. But meron nakitang foul si Ref. Foul on number 18.
Espinosa.
18, first personal foul. Nabon shoots. And the puts the basket, that is a foul on number 9. Number 9, that is his third personal foul. 2 free throws for
Pwede kita lang
Nabon.
pala oh. Wala.
Official score 58-51. And that is the first free throw for Nabon. Second throw. Too much muscle behind. 0 out of 2. On that attempt, Pua over to Lauzon. Lauzon over to Pua. Pua, kick out. To find the zone. Short. Nakuha ni Nabon. Binili kay Hill. Over to Nabon. Nagmamadali si Nabon. Nabon. Offensive foul.
Stop.
Waving off.
Ba't
Is
mo doon?
number 16.
Ano? Parang ito doon.
Only his first personal foul. Substitution. 18 out, number 10 in. Number 28 now, over to Lauzon, the ace point guard of Team White. Lauzon, eye to eye with Chana. Lauzon shoots, jumper, and then goes to find Gasson. Over to Pula. Backpedaling, cross court to Espinosa. Espinosa overhooks. Espinosa left. Drives, lays out. Number 10. Nakuha ni Nabon, the main man of Hart. Nabon makes his way, shoots, 2 points. Making the tie 53-58. Lima na lang po, alaman, 4 minutes and 9 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. Lauzon,
Ayaw gumawa ni Puy.
15 seconds on the shot clock. Lauzon pa rin. After that, the back, being given a pick. Lauzon loses the handle.
Down.
There's a hacking foul on number 10 or number 15.
Pangilang foul na, team foul.
Then you see number 10. Pangkasal mo, offensive board. Number 10, sila ng foul. Espinosa tries the triple, wala. Garcia, it's the ball. Garcia pa rin. Garcia, bulldozer his way, 2 points.
Nawawalaan yung lalaki nila ah.
Pua, number 9. Handled by Blanco. Looking for his teammate. Binigay sa ilalim.
Away.
Wala na po ang white.
Yung dito, dalawa pa.
Yung team Jay, dalawa pa po. Official time, 3 minutes and 17. Official score, 58-55. Mga tatlo. Ang team Ricks.
Let's go. Okay na.
Tatirone. Team Rally now, Rally a 3-point deficit. Blanco now. On the center court. Binigay kay number 2, Lim. Binigay sa ilalim, Garcia. Easy boost. Wala. Garcia pa rin. Punta. Wala pa rin. Offensive foul. Ang number 16. 16 na ball. That is the second personal foul. Wala pa tayo sa penalty.
Wala pa.
Wala pa sa penalty.
Apat yung foul.
Lauzon pa rin. Eye to eye with Grana. Looking for a teammate. Lauzon making his move. 13 seconds to shoot. Paindason. Binigay sa kalatan. Nakuha ni Rana. Nabol. Kaplinan. Nabol. Nakalawan ni Paindason. Make a blocking foul on number 10. Wala pa akong penalty. Ilang team foul?
Tatlo pa lang. Tatlo pa lang. Yan.
Nakuha ni Pua. Nakuha ni Jaco. Nakuha ni Jaco. Ako na lang malaman ng white. Binigay ni Jaco. Blanco is up. Number 4. Foul. Foul number 15.
Ilan ang team foul nila? Tatlo pa lang.
18. Espinosa. Sorry. That is the second personal foul. Penalty. First child. Mahalaga ang free throw ko. Second shot from Blanco.
Bola natin, Nick.
Nakuha ng team
Bola
ng
natin.
Espinosa.
Baka mawala rin ah.
Espinosa now. Crossing the midcourt.
Last 2 minutes.
Lauzon. Raise up. Loaded. Parang foul. Si number 16. That is his third personal foul. 2 free throws. 1 in for penalty. First try for Lauzon. Wala pa rin. Struggling on both teams sa free throw. Second free throw for Lauzon. Making the adjustment jump. Wala pa rin. Who gets the ball is Garcia. Last 2 minutes. Rana. Binigay Lim. Short side. Pagkakawa ng bola. Crucial turnover. Team Rana. Official score 58-55. Rana White. 1 minute and 51 seconds in the fourth and final quarter. 111 seconds to be exact.
Wala na sir, wala na. Wala na time out. Sige. Wala na time out. Warning na. Wala na.
Dalawa na po. Isa na.
Nagdalawa na kayo, kuya. Nagdalawa na kayo timeout.
After bogey.
Nag-timeout kayo mga 7 minutes. Tapos 3 minutes ng last o fourth quarter.
Natibihan 1 minute and 50. 58-55, number 1. Lauzon now with the basketball. Being handled by Lin. Lauzon being given a screen by Lauzon. 10 on the shot clock. Lauzon. Walang patahan. Binigay kay Lauzon. Tries to triple. Short. Nakuha ni Lauzon. Nabor gets his way. Shoots. This is a foul. Foul on Lopez.
Nice foul!
Penalty. Lopez, that is a third personal foul. 2 free throws from Cabor. First attempt is nothing but net for the main guy of Team Ranajay. Number 16 on the second attempt. They come in 2 for 2. They give the time just a 1-point game, 58-57. Minute and 17 remaining. Espinosa, an important possession for Team Rich. Lauzon, 13 seconds on the shot clock. Lauzon making his way. Lauzon, lays up, voila. Who gets the ball? First foul is number 2. Penalty.
Sayang, di nag-box out.
2 free throws, number 3. Second personal foul, number 2.
Pasok ko, sir. Pang-box out, sir. Pasok ka, pang-box out.
First throw, number 20.
Pasok ka, pang-box out.
After the line, this is an important free throw.
Wala na. Tama na.
Second foul. Triple win. From number 8, they get a tally 59-57. Blanco over to Navor. Navor for Ayman. He has 55 seconds on the game clock. Navor with foul.
Travel.
Traveling, doing the cha-cha is Navor.
Naipit.
Crucial turnover.
Naipit.
Lauzon crossing the midcourt. Lauzon, eye-to-eye with Lin. Lauzon makes his way. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Lauzon pa rin. Lauzon kick out to Tua. Tries to shoot it. Black, nakuha ni Nabor. Nagmamadali si Nabor. Nabor pa rin.
Long foul. Wala timeout. Walang timeout.
15.
Pag sinabi basket, basket.
Pag basket. Kanina, third foul.
That is his third personal foul.
Penalty.
Penalty. Both teams in penalty situation.
Foul!
Last 30 seconds remaining. Ang score 59-57. Titian si Nabor for 2 free throws.
Wala pa rin. Sayang.
Missing an important free throw. Second try.
Joey. Last push ang kanina.
On the way. Wala pa rin. Who gets the ball? Esperanza gets the ball. Over to Lopez. Lauzon. Being split by being handled. 13 seconds to shoot. Nakaangol ba? Completed by Rico Blanco. Nakaangol ang Basi. Nakuha ni Andre. Binigay kay Garcia. Garcia shoots. Wala. Who gets the ball? Under the foul. Meron tayong foul.
Foul!
28. Panggasol. 38.
Foul!
Last 6.5 seconds remaining.
Foul!
Crucial free throw.
Pressure free throws for Nabor. First try. 59-58.
Wala.
Second quarter is in and out.
Sayang.
Penalty. Last 4 seconds.
Dalawang ano yun, no? Dalawang sablay. Panalo na sana kayo. Hindi. Free throw. Penalty.
Penalty. Silocos.
May timeout sila, isa. Penalty.
Penalty.
Meron kayo timeout, isa.
2 free throws for number 9. Pressure from free throw for number 9. Both teams struggling on their free throw attempt.
Basket timeout, rep. Basket timeout, ah.
Last throw. Here's the score, 59-58. Lamar White, second throw.
Basket, timeout. Oh, dito.
Both teams
Doon sa kabila, sir. Para di masikip.
59-58. Last 3.8 seconds remaining in the ballgame.
Sakto yan, 3.8, di ba? Ha? Game!
This is our final possession of the ballgame.
Kamay!
Last 3.8